Hi everyone and welcome to the Chef's Kitchen, where Ingles caters some of the best events anywhere. I'm Josh Michael here with Chef Marcia, and today we're showing you how to make some amazing food right there at home. So Chef, what are we doing today?
Today we're making a 3-cheese tortellini kale salad.
Oh, you said tortellini.
Yeah.
You're already speaking my language. How do we get started?
We got the fresh kale.
All right.
You can buy it by the bag or you can buy the stalks. Just
Excellent.
make sure either way that you're cleaning the little stalks off of it, because nobody wants to eat that.
Okay, so just leaves, all right. All
So
right.
we're going to dump this in the bowl.
Excellent.
Okay. And then we're going to put as much tortellini. You can put a lot, you can put a little, as much as you'd like.
And this is cheese tortellini.
Yeah, this is
right?
cheese tortellini.
Okay. All right.
And you can use any kind of tortellini you'd like
I'm
too.
Italian, so
You're
we're going to put it
in.
all in there. That's the way. That's my style.
And then I usually start with my feta, because it just kind of.
Okay. All right. Now you had a warning for me about
Yeah,
that feta.
this is
what kind of feta
you buy
do
the
use?
feta in the chunk and then chunk it up yourself.
Okay.
Because it just gives it a lot more flavor than just the crumbles.
Okay.
The crumbles kind of disappear.
All right.
And we have the fresh mozzarella pearls.
-1.
Yeah.
All right.
And then we also have Parmesan cheese,
Parmesan.
sun-dried tomatoes,
Oh
and
my
oil.
gosh. This in oil. Okay.
Yeah, in
All
oil.
right.
Yeah, they got a lot of flavor. And
All
I
right.
just strip those so they come out in little strips. Put a little bit of pepper.
Okay.
And I usually toss it and then put if you'll hand me that other spoon.
All right.
Okay. And then put the dressing on it. And I have a roasted garlic balsamic vinaigrette. Okay.
A roasted garlic balsamic vinaigrette. Okay. Now, you guys do a lot of different catering. You do weddings. You do business events. And I hear that this is a pretty popular one.
This is a popular one. Uh-oh, making a mess. Yeah, we just did a catering for an office party. In fact, they had an office luncheon, and they loved this. In fact, they want to do another one,
Excellent.
a dinner, but they want to make sure that we're doing this with it too.
Making sure you add that, serve it cold, and then you throw in. It was balsamic. What
This
now?
is a roasted garlic balsamic vinaigrette.
This is amazing.
And this is homemade too. And you can use any kind of dressing you'd like.
Okay.
If I could get it open.
And you probably put as much
There we
or as
go.
little dressing as you want, depending
Yeah.
on how much flavor
Yep.
you want in there. That looks so good. This is a great way to get that kale. Everybody wants their super kale now. Get your kale, still have your pasta in there, and you got that mozzarella.
Yeah, this is a great salad, and you can make it all through the year. It doesn't have to be seasonal. It's anytime, summer, spring, winter, fall.
All right, I gotta
it's
dig
great.
in. I'm gonna dig in here. Ready? That vinaigrette is amazing.
Yeah, it's a great vinaigrette.
Thank you so much for joining us here at the Chef's Kitchen. For more great recipes and to learn about having the Chef's Kitchen cater your event, visit thechefskitchen.com. See you next time. So good.